It's easy to make any image black and white in Lucidchart. This can be a useful design trick if you have several images that don't really match each other in style. By removing color from the equation, you immediately make the images look more unified. Let's take a look at this example, which I've also saved as a template. If you want to follow along in practice, just click the link below. This document looks okay the way it is, but the blue background in Bear's photo on the right doesn't match the blue on the left, and that's going to bug me. So I've decided to turn both Angie and Bear's photos black and white. Start by selecting the image you want to change. Then go to the Shape Fill icon and click Effects. Now, drop your saturation all the way to the left. That's all black and white is, really. You can see if I saturated the photo all the way, it would be super colorful. So if I desaturate it completely, the photo will become completely black and white. You may need to make a few alterations at this point to contrast and brightness. Contrast will make the photo look more crisp, and brightness will lighten things up a little bit. Play with it until you like how it looks, and then click Save. Now we'll do the same thing with Angie's photo. Her settings will be a little different because her photo lighting was brighter to start with. See how changing the images to black and white unifies the design and keeps you from noticing one photo over another? That means we made the right call, and all it took was desaturating the images. To learn more quick and powerful Lucidchart design tricks, check out our Lucidchart design playlist. If you have questions or suggestions, leave me a note in the comments below. Happy diagramming!